Hi, I'm Puah and this is Sebastian, and we are from SNK Puchong Utama 1, and we have created a product which is called the Braille Cell Elevator Keypad. So have you ever wondered how blind people use the elevator? So according to research from the University of York, it is very time consuming for blind users to figure out the layout of the keypads, conventional keypads using the Braille indicators, as there might be different levels for each building, and the design of each button might be different for every elevator. So this might be a very cumbersome process for the blind users. Realizing the severeness of this problem, we have done some research and created this product. So this is basically an elevator keypad with only 6 buttons representing the 6 raised dots of a Braille. So each button represents the corresponding Braille cells. Available. So in order to use these products, particular combinations of buttons need to be pressed in order to get the intended flow. So it's basically like keying in numbers, but just in Braille. And the layout of the buttons will be standard across every elevator.
As the Braille cells are keyed in to go to the intended floor, the same 6 buttons can be installed into every elevator.